Okay, looking at this one, I think it's probably the most difficult problem in the problem set at this point, number 14. And the reason why a lot of students are not aware of the product of sum formulas. And this is a product. I'm noticing over here, um, certainly I'm getting some, like A and B, I'm getting, product of sum or difference. So let's write this down. And it's something to do with cosines. So I'm going to write down, let's take a look. I'm going to write down cosine A plus B. Yes, that should be known. I'm going to write down a cosine of A minus B. Yes, that should be known. What's it going to be? Cosine A, cosine B, minus sine A, sine B. What do you get over here? Cosine A, cosine B, plus sine A, sine B. Well, if you add those two together, what do you get? You get cosine A plus B plus cosine A minus B equals 2 cosine A cosine B. And what we have now is a product to sum formula, or a sum to product formula, depending on how you look at it. So over here, I'm definitely seeing a product over here, and I want to kind of write that down next to this over here. So what would you get? It would be 2 cosine of x times cosine of 2x. Well, you know what? I don't want the 2 there, so I got to get rid of that 2. And I'm going to do that. I should have done that before. Let me erase this now and divide by 2. And might get a smaller eraser. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Make it a little bit neater. All right, let's go for it. Let's write next to it. What are we going to go over here? Well, it's going to be cosine x and then cosine of 2x. Here's the understanding. Look, at least looking at it, the A is the x and the B is the 2x. And I think I'm ready to write it down now. We'll put this over here. Get a 2. I get cosine. Well, A plus B would be 3x. Plus, a little tricky this time. It's going to be cosine of A minus B. So it's x minus 2x, which is minus x. Now, I don't see that in the key. So what I'm going to do is use an even-eyed identity. So cosine of 3x is all over 2. And the cosine of minus x, I think, is the cosine of x. All right, so what do you look in the K? And do I see that answer? I think so. I think it's right over here. All right, got the division by 2, cosine of 3x in addition, cosine of x. And the answer is B. All right, the work written down for you. Might be missing some of the talk, what I just gave you, but the bottom line, those formulas are written down for you. What formula did I just derive? This formula over here. Now, some people say you need to memorize that. I don't know. That's the personal opinion. I don't think it should be memorized, but you may decide you're going to memorize things like that. Thank you.